Oh, Eliza.
Eliza.
Oh. Hey.
Merry Christmas.
I think your saddle will fit him better.
Oh.
What do you think?
Oh, we didn't all get to see.
Yes.
Oh, look, yeah, yes, isn't he cute? Oh.
Merry Christmas, Angelina. There's your new best buddy right there. Your new best friend.
Crying now. Come here, she's crying.
Oh. There you can get her crying.
Oh. Is that hers?
That's hers. Says her best friend now. That's her pony. That's her horse.
That's her baby now. Oh. Come here, Dad. Look, and Troy, can you see? Oh, she's cute. Let me go.
That's her horse?
It is. We got her all. Yeah.
You're kidding me.
No.
That's Captain.
Look how good he is, Chris.
Captain.
He's-
Dreams do come true, right? I told you that.